Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide online status on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide online status on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening a Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here you can see there is a privacy and security option available for us over here just below the chat settings. Tap on that privacy and security, and from over here you can see you will be required to scroll down a little bit and you will find the last seen and online option available for us over here just below the phone number. Tap to open the last seen and online. Now in order to hide your online status on Telegram, tap on the nobody section available for us over here and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. And with that being done, guys, your online status on Telegram will be hidden. And there guys, this is how to hide online status in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.